Phobo Bike 2. Tire pressure monitoring system comes pre-built with many new motorcycle models. In case your bike has no such feature, Phobo Bike 2 has you covered. This particular TPMS is both easy to install and understated because you don't want your valve caps to attract too much attention. Just like a lot of motorcycle gadgets in the market, Phobo Bike 2 must be connected to a smartphone app to work, this time via Bluetooth. Once the pressure sensors are installed, front and rear wheels as well as air shock, and they are connected properly to the app, your phone screen should display all the data you need, including current pressure and temperature inside the tires. These valve caps will not inflate or deflate the tire, but they give you an alert each time the pressure is too low or too high, depending on the parameters you set.
From the industry leader in motorcycle communication, Senna brings you Momentum, a complete line of Bluetooth integrated full-face helmets. Hear Senna as it was meant to be heard. Starting with the 4-way intercom-ready Momentum Lite helmet, allowing you to talk with 3 other riders and connect to multiple Bluetooth devices with 27 hours of talk time. Senna doubles the connectivity with the Momentum helmet, featuring up to 8-way Bluetooth intercom communication, audio multitasking, and the ability to pair with multiple Bluetooth devices. The Senna Momentum Pro goes beyond rider connectivity with an integrated 2K action camera and Wi-Fi connectivity for ease of use and to share your adventures on the go. Designed completely around Senna's top-of-the-line communication and camera technology, all Momentum helmets are built with multiple shells in sizes extra small to XXL, HD quality speakers and microphone using Senna's advanced noise control technology, a 3-part ventilation system, scratch and UV-resistant pin-lock-ready visor featuring a quick-release system and an optional smoke shield. And if complete integration wasn't enough, the Senna Momentum INC helmet houses Senna's patented intelligent noise control, reducing low-frequency wind noise, allowing you to ride longer, safer, and hear clearer. With advanced ear cups, listen to your 8-way group intercom and stereo music at lower volume levels with less interference, preserving your hearing and focus. The Momentum INC also features ambient mode, allowing you to amplify external sound for a quick conversation without removing your helmet. Lastly, the Momentum INC Pro takes features from the entire Momentum series, integrating a 2K action camera with Wi-Fi connectivity, 8-way Bluetooth intercom, and Senna's intelligent noise control for the most complete helmet thus far. With complete integration, unprecedented battery life, and designed entirely around Senna, stay connected and listen like never before. Designed for riders, by riders. This is the Momentum Helmet series from Senna.